Welcome to my Phoenix review. Alright, my name's Timothy Onion. I'm here to show you and introduce you to the new program Phoenix, which has been around for a few months now. It came out last September. And what they do in this product is they show you how to pull traffic using solo ads and send them to your landing page, and from the landing page they turn it into what's called a click rotator. Now what a click rotator is basically it's a funnel system that sends your traffic to not one but multiple different types of products. From there they have the option to buy not one but, like I said, multiple products, so you have more ways to bring in income. It's pretty ingenious if you ask me. Well, let's dive into this. Let's show you what we got here, starting with my bonus page. And from here you can click on my bonus page, which the link will be available down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, show you all the upsells, and I got bonus number 1 here, which is 0-hour work days, which is another way it shows you how to make money online, how to bring in traffic and so forth. And again, we got how to write headlines and subject lines that sell. Now what this does is pretty self-explanatory. Shows you how to write those headlines that grab people's eyes, how to pull them in. Alright, and then we got the squeeze page breakthrough. Now what squeeze page is basically it's another type of landing page, but what it does is, again, you want to find a way to catch the person's eye. And one way to do that is with your squeeze page. Alright, and this shows you how to do it pretty lucratively. Alright, and now okay, the lost code. Another way to show you how to bring in more traffic, and how to set up different types of offers and so forth. And then right here, how to make $100 daily. And what this does is it shows you how to use free sources of traffic as opposed to solo ads, because what solo ads are paid traffic that they send to your landing page, and then pretty much that way. But what this does is it shows you how to use Facebook and other social media platforms to bring in the traffic as opposed to paying somebody to do it. Anyway, see, there's my bonus page. Now let's move on to whoa, I just didn't mean to do that. Anyway, now we're gonna go to the sales page for Phoenix. Okay, and what it shows you here is, of course, Phoenix is a method we've been profiting from for more than 10 years, making us more than $1,000 daily passively. Here's how you can replicate our success within 30 minutes. Alright, and what it is, it says here, fastest results you've ever seen, virtually unknown, brand new method. Well, it's not really a brand new method, but what they're showing you is how to use that click rotator, which is pretty ingenious, which I've told you, I've already described it to you, what it does. And working flawlessly in 2020 and beyond. Of course, it's like they said there, they've been using it for 10 years now. And of course, once you get it set up, it's pretty much going to be autopilot. Just keep making new ads and so on and so forth. And of course, it could works for newbies and experienced marketers. Well, like I said, it is a very informative product. Alright, and you got some reviews here, people testimonials saying how it's worked for them, and then profits, blah blah blah. There you go. You got, that's James right there, and that's Mark. Alright, now let's move over into the members area. Alright, and I'll give you a little rundown through here. Okay, and in the members area, of course, you got the welcome. There's Mark right there. and he's pretty much going to be the one that's going to be doing the tutorials for you. And here we go, the overview tells you exactly, what they're doing, how they're going to show you how to do it. And okay, here we go, getting set up, finding top offers, building the rotator, how to build the funnel, which is going to give you the rotator that, it's going to show you how to get those multiple offers in there. You're going to have an autoresponder, core, test funnel, yada yada. All right, and then you go down here, shows you how to get the traffic, and of course, comes with some additional bonuses on top of the ones that I'm offering you already. All right, and then of course we're going to go to the upgrades, which I have listed in my bonus page. You want to check that out here. All right, and upgrade number 1 is the profit automators. Basically getting this to work around the clock on a complete autopilot, reliably and consistently day after day, takes an army of secret weapons to help unlock the real profits. Upgrade number 2, the Phoenix Done For You package, $197. Figure out how to rise from the ashes financially is half the battle. We package something very special and unique to really give anyone that implements this a surefire way to get cash flowing into your wallet. So, that's always a good thing, cash flowing into the wallet. Upgrade number 3, which is a 10x profits box. This entails everything you need to maximize profits. The biggest challenge is getting fence sitters to convert into hungry buyers. This upgrade will allow customers to leverage any affiliate or product offer and increase their profits 10 times. Alright, and then Phoenix Unlimited Traffic. And we've gone one better with providing anyone multiple and unique methods in tapping into our traffic sources. Alright, okay, that sounds pretty good. Additional traffic's always a wonderful thing. Alright, and then license right. And what this is it gives you the ability to sell their product and bank 100% commissions for it, which is really nice considering, you get to sell everything at this price right here and obtain everything yourself, which is pretty cool. All right. And again, there's all my bonuses. There we go. Bonus number 2, bonus number 3, 4, 5. And again, if you like what you see here, go ahead, click the link below. I'll learn how to speak here eventually. Anyway, but yeah, click the link below. Like, subscribe, and don't forget that this is a good product. It's very informative. So go ahead and click below. You can always check out other people's offers, see if but I put this together specifically to accent the Phoenix program and show you how to do things a little differently from what they're showing you. And that's about it. Thank you for watching my review. I hope you liked it. And as I said, click the link below, like and subscribe. Thank you.